Namaskar. I, Krishna Kumar Mishra, welcome you in Delhi weather briefing from India Meteorological Department. Highlights of this Delhi weather briefing are that the current cold day conditions going on over northwest India and central India, Madhya Pradesh, are likely to gradually abate from tomorrow onwards, and a fresh active western disturbance is likely to affect northwest India from the night of 21st of January. If you look into the synoptic systems, then today we have a cyclonic circulation over southwest Rajasthan and neighborhood, and there is another cyclonic circulation over Kerala and neighborhood in lower tropospheric levels. So no significant synoptic systems are there. Westerly to northwesterly lower level, lower tropospheric winds are prevailing over the plains of northwest India, giving rise to the cold day conditions. If we look into the rainfall realized during past 24 hours ending at 8:30 hours IST of today, then the Nilgiri district of Tamil Nadu has reported 6 centimeter rainfall, and over Tiruvallur also 6 centimeter rainfall has been reported, and over Nellore district of south coastal Andhra Pradesh 3 centimeter rainfall has been reported, and uh, in total isolated rainfall has been reported over Tamil Nadu and coastal Andhra Pradesh. Minimum temperature over the country are over the most parts of northwest India are normal, and are 3 to 5 degree above normal over Madhya Pradesh, and very dense fog has been reported over in isolated pockets over Haryana, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, and dense fog has been reported over Chhattisgarh and East Uttar Pradesh. Cold day condition to severe cold day condition has been prevailing over West Madhya Pradesh and East Rajasthan at many parts of these two subdivisions, and cold day to severe cold day conditions in some parts has been reported over Uttar Pradesh and East Madhya Pradesh, and isolated pockets over Punjab and Northwest Rajasthan, and over Haryana and Delhi, just cold day conditions has been reported. Now, if we come over to next 5 days warning, then as we have seen in the highlights, this current cold day to severe cold day conditions are likely to continue till today, although with the lesser severity than yesterday, and then it is likely to further. Its severity is going to down further on tomorrow, and it will abate completely from 19th of January over northwest and adjoining central India. So, keeping in view the severity of the cold day conditions, today we have given orange color over Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Punjab, Delhi, over Rajasthan and West Madhya Pradesh, and tomorrow we have just kept yellow color for all these regions. And 19th onwards, there is this cold day warning has been lifted from all these regions. Now, and after that, and during this period from 17th to 20th of January, the maximum minimum temperatures and as well as maximum temperatures are likely to rise by 2 to 4 degrees centigrade. And then from 21st January, there is an active western disturbance is likely to affect northwest India and adjoining central India. When we can see here in the rainfall table that from 21st of January, the rainfall distribution is going to enhance over J&K, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana, West UP, East UP, West Rajasthan, and East Rajasthan. When on 21st, isolated to scattered light to moderate rainfall is likely over these regions, and on 22nd, this rainfall intensity is likely to enhance further, and when scattered to fairly widespread rainfall is likely over these regions, and this rainfall activity is also likely to continue on 23rd, although over the eastern region, that is over West UP, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, and northern parts of Madhya Pradesh. So this western disturbance, a fresh western disturbance, is likely to affect northwest India from 21st January, which will cause scattered to fairly widespread rainfall over western Inland region as well as Punjab, Haryana, West UP, Rajasthan and West Madhya Pradesh. And on 21st of January, there is likelihood of isolated hailstorm activity during the night time of 21st January, and on 22nd of January over East Rajasthan and West Madhya Pradesh as well. So that's all for today's Delhi weather briefing. Tomorrow we will again meet with Delhi weather briefing for weather warning during subsequent 5 days. Thank you and goodbye.